Yo, what's going on YouTube? I just want to show you guys the new downpipe that I'm going to put on the car. Shout out to CTS Turbo for looking out for this downpipe. I mean, what can I say? I just think it's time for a refresh on the vehicle. I noticed the downpipe that I have is kind of corroded or old. I feel like I smell a few fumes in my car, so I just wanted to kind of just get one with a good weld. I mean, so far so good. I mean, if you look at this, the machining on this downpipe is amazing. The welding is cool. Stainless steel. I think it's well worth it. If anyone are interested in CTS Turbo downpipes, let me know. I can give you guys a coupon code so they can look out for you guys. But yep, this is what I'm gonna put on the vehicle. Really happy about it. The one thing about this, the stainless steel ones, you can get more of a rasp, and it can kind of open up your car a little bit better. This one has a lot better curvature than the one that I have on it, so I think it's going to really just kind of help that airflow. Yeah, so this is it, guys. The whole downpipe. And this was my issue. I was losing some boost and I was smelling smoke, and this is why. But I guess it's good. I got a new downpipe anyway, so I went ahead and knew it was an issue. So it's always good to check. Yep. Doing some muffler work. The new downpipe over there. In case someone wanted to ever know my exhaust setup, here you go. I got these two resonators that are coming to the back. Then they go into this 3-inch pipe right here. And then once they go into this 3-inch pipe, you go into this Flowmaster Series 10. Then right here is that Cadillac converter. And then it goes straight up into the top to my downpipe. So this is my exhaust setup if anyone is interested.